next big project we are doing down here at the allotment. Yes, I'm going to have a week off work from Saturday till Sunday the week after, and we are on with a big mission. We've got 9 days, I think it is, 9 days off, and our plan is to give our allotment a massive clear down, makeover, get it all ready for next year, and then we can concentrate on other jobs down at the plot. So let's show you what we're going to be doing. So our plan is on the week off. It's not a huge job, but it'll keep me busy, is to take up all these beds, get them all dug over, get all the old stuff out, clear all down the sides of the plots, which is all down this side. We're going to have spring bulbs all the way down either side. We're going to have daffodils all down the side, so it'll look absolutely gorgeous come springtime. So that's going to be a big old planting job. We're going to take the beds up, we're going to rebuild them, we're going to give them a lick of paint. I don't think we'll be able to do it in autumn time though, because it might just wash off. But yeah, hopefully get all this lot cleared and tidied, all the rubbish taken away, and then it'll be up to the top of my plot where we've done the new area, which it'll all feed into pretty well down here. So hopefully that's the plan for our 9 days off. It's not a massive mission, but I think we can get it all done, get it all looking tidy, hopefully sort out the beds that we planted the garlic and the onion bulbs in. We had to rush to get them in, but yeah, them beds were definitely done. They're being rebuilt, them ones, but we need to rebuild these beds, what the netting's over, and get all the grass out on the paths. But yeah, we're leaving the sunflowers for the birds to eat all the seeds at the moment, letting them get all them. That sweet corn didn't do any well, that one, but the rest of it did. We had a fantastic crop. So yeah, it's going to be a big almighty job, these 9 days off, but I think it'll look good once it's all cleared. Worst bit will be clearing down these sides of the plot, and we'll need to get plenty of daffodil bulbs to go all down these sides. We used to have daffodils down this side, but a lot of them slipped down onto the plot at the side. So we need to sort all that side out as well and get all that done. We've got this climbing blackberry down the side, so we need to tie all that up, get the bindweed off the fencing, and hopefully get some daffodil bulbs down the side, which it'll look nice with all these spring beds, what we've filled with bulbs. Last weekend we got all that done, all that tidied up, and lots in that area. So it's going to be a big old job down here at the allotment, but I'm sure you'll stick with me, encourage me, and get it all growing. But some wood's disintegrated, it's had it, so we'll be burning that and getting rid of the old wood and getting rid of all the rubbish what I've dumped around. I'm not a tidy gardener, I really am not. I should learn to be more of a tidy gardener. It's less work to do in the long run. But yeah, it'll all look pretty good once it's all done. So make sure you stick with us over the next 9 days while we get all this big transformation done. We're not going to just be doing that, but also going to be transforming inside our polytunnel. But I'll post another video on that, because my polytunnel's been up 20 years, possibly 16 to 20 years, and it's just full of absolute rubbish. Because it's a dry area, I just shove all my rubbish in there, and over the years it's become a mess. The bindweed's taking over in there as the flooring's been down, as long as the polytunnel's been up. So we're going to rip all the polytunnel flooring up and take out all the roots what are probably underneath it. Probably find a few things that I don't want to see, possibly rats and holes and stuff like that, which I'm not looking forward to. But we're going to give it a massive makeover on the inside. We're not going to replace the skin, because that's too big a job for me to do these days. I don't think I'll be able to get that done. So we're going to repair it and keep it lasting a few more years. Once the skin's eventually gone, we'll possibly just net it over and use it as like a cage and grow tomatoes outside and cucumbers outside, which I know can be done, and possibly cauliflower and broccoli, stuff like that in there. But until we've got the polytunnel skin on, we're going to keep using it to its full advantage and growing tomatoes in there, and cucumbers and peppers and melons, chilies. So yeah, that's going to be a big job in itself. So stick with me over the 9 days while we get this work done. Keep encouraging me, keep posting, keep commenting, and let's get it all ready for winter. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.